high, low, push, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Today I will show you how to make the flat white. Especially if you know what is the flat white or you want to see today magic, then this coffee white want to show you the flat white magics. So you can see the picture also we have here flat white. So guys, this is the coffee machine. Today how can I make the flat white? You can observe me that I'm going to make the flat white. Here is the jug, so I need the milk, so I'm going to pour the milk here. I'm using the full cream milk. I need the 1/3 milk here. So before making the texture milk, I need to preheat the mug. So here the mug, I'm going to preheat. So I need triple shot for the flat white because we used for the flat white Cortissimo coffee. So here is the start. This is the triple shot. So I'm going to make the texture milk here. So I have here texture milk. So I need the coffee shot now. I already pulled the shot. So now it's time to show the magic, guys. I have a texture milk here. So ta-da! You can see me. I have the coffee shot and the milk. So now high, low, push, wiggle, 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 high and cut. This is the flat white, guys. So this is our magic. If you like my magic, if you want to know what is the flat white, you can check another video, or you can give me the comments, compliment, and also you can share, subscribe, what you want you can do. So see you again, bye, take care guys.